Are you using the restroom? What are you doing?
What are you doing? Good jumping. Aiden, no moving. Mommy's trying to take a video of Big Brother. Oh.
You okay?
You okay?
Jack, why don't you get the frisbee?
Jack, chin to chest. Chin to chest.
Sprinkler, that's
Somersault.
Right. Chin to chest.
Be careful near the torch.
Chin to chest.
Candle.
No, it's not a candle. What is it? Torch. Excellent. Can we get a chin to chest?
Show Mommy a somersault.
Can you try again?
Can you do it again, please?
Okay.
Okay.
Well, done.
Can you do a somersault?
Jack. Jack. Hey, Jack. Are you mesmerized by the torch?
Sure. I'm staring at him early. It is a torch. You're right.
Hi, Aiden. Hi, Maddie. I think you're back there somewhere.
She is.